Hey guys, today let's do a service mode estimation. But it will be 600 RPM spin, not too much because you're going to flood the house with water. So it will be lowest speed. Alright, since it's a new drain pump, I will do a service mode estimation with new drain pump. So let's begin. So the error code when you enter service mode by pressing spin button and power button at the same time, it will show the error code list like E that means is nothing wrong. The software screen is 28, but you have Beko like others or something, yeah. This test means it's testing all the lights, including the display clock and the LED lights, to ensure it's all working. The number 4, that means is clockwise tumbling, but if you have a home with backhoe, then it will do a spin brake test if they have electronic spin brake. Number 5, that means is anti-clockwise tumbling. Number 6, that means is testing spin all the way speed of the full speed. So I'm going to pause it at 600 RPM so it won't flood the house. You can see it's spinning, so I will pause it already. So this one is filling in the pre-wash compartment with water. So yeah. Number 7, yep. Number 8, that means is filling in the main wash compartment. Yep. Number 9, that means is softener compartment that activate at the same time on pre-wash and main wash and softener. That's really awesome. Let's stop it. Number 11, that means is testing heat element that it will heat water, like hot water, medium water, like warm water or cold. That's really awesome. But if you are home with Beko, it will hit the water and tumble at the same time, on clockwise. Really cool. The number 12, that means is drain pump test and filling up at the same time in softener compartment, yeah. Look at this. Test 3, that means service mode is completed. Now it returns back to normal. That it will reset everything, make sure it's still working. Let me put on spin cycle with no spin, that it will drain the water. Pretty mean, huh? Really cool. Yeah, so that's the test mode on my backhoe. Alright. You can see the drain pump sounds new because I did service mode test with new drain pump. Because I did service mode with old drain pump months ago. Still working probably, and yeah. Alright, so that's the end. that's the end. Yeah. Really cool, yeah. Really dirty lot. So at August I will do a drum clean. So without fairy, only Calgon, I will do a drum clean. I will do a drum clean on August. But one question: if your washers, if you have home with Beko, with test mode, when you pause it, like pressing start and go into the next stage, filling of the main wash compartment. First, you will need to stop it and then filling. But if mine, it stops with filling at the same time. So yeah, really cool, yeah. Yeah, really cool. Really cool, yeah. There's so much water, so they need dry. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Like, subscribe, comment, and share with friends. Bye bye, guys, and see you tomorrow.